Time now for this week's mental health moment. According to the CDC, 1 in 5 people reported having been diagnosed with depression at some point in their life. Symptoms of depression and other mental health challenges can surface in specific ways in the workplace. Here with us to discuss more on that is Holly Hall from Sweetser. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
We appreciate it, Holly. Tell me a little bit about ways you can spot an employee who may be, dealing with some depression in the workplace.
Sure. Some of the signs you can look for is lack of motivation and loss in work that they used to do. Avoidance of coworkers or isolating themselves from others. Sudden or angry outbursts of emotion. Avoidance of going home, missing deadlines and meetings, and really like a reduction in productivity.
So lots of signs there.
Lots of signs to look for.
Gotcha. And what can employers do to help their staff with mental health challenges?
Yeah, sure. There are a few things. The most popular is offering an employee assistance program, an EAP program that has a robust mental health component to it that will offer therapy or mental health services. Another thing is culture, making sure your managers are showing how to do that work-life balance and really portraying this is how you take time off. We encourage you to take time off to take care of yourself. And lastly is training. Employers could either offer or require a mental health component and training for all of their staff.
I'm sure the culture one's a big one, right? Kind of
Yes.
setting the tone in the workplace.
Yep.
If someone needs professional support, what should they do?
Well, it's very important that they ask their employer, that they have what resources available to them. So really prioritizing and understanding what is their options. Is it an EPA program? Is it a benefit through their medical benefits? So they really should be asking for the resources at work.
What advice would you give to other employees who are looking to address their mental health with their employer?
Make sure they know their resources. If they're seeking services, they can reach out to employers like ourselves and ask for the Promise Line, or they could have their employers reach out and ask for like a mental health training, like our mental health first aid training that we offer.
Okay. Holly Hall from Sweetser,
Thank
thanks
you.
so much for joining
Thank you
us
very
and
much.
providing this great insight for us. We
Yes,
appreciate it.
Thank you.